Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I am so excited to show you guys these floating wall shelves that I just got. These are going to be especially great for like kids' rooms and nurseries, and that's exactly where I have mine placed here in my son's room. He is 3 and I did a surf themed room for him, and these are the perfect fit. They are well made and they are beautiful. Plus, they were quick and easy to get up. Aside from figuring out placement and making sure things were level and evenly spaced, these were a breeze to put up. Each one just uses 2 screws, and they provide some anchors for them as well. So if you're not putting them into a stud, then they're going to give some more support and sturdiness. So I have them here in my son's room. I've got the 2 lower shelves filled with kids' books. I've placed them closer to the floor so that they are easily accessible to him. Now the top shelf is currently out of reach for him, so I'm using that for a little bit more of a decor space. One of my favorite things about these is the detailed front ledge that has a wave-like texture. Comes up, and it's going to help keep things from falling off, and you can kind of angle your books and store a little bit more that way, or store taller books more easily, and it is just stunning. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It's really transformed this otherwise blank space, and I was able to create kind of like a little reading nook for him. Plus, it gave me somewhere else to display some of the decor items that I have for his room that are surf themed. So I absolutely love these. My little boy is crazy about it. He really enjoys having quick and easy access to his books and having them face out rather than on a bookshelf where you just see the book end. So it makes it much more desirable and interesting for little ones because they can quickly and easily see a large picture and get an idea of what might be contained in that book. So I think it's definitely going to help encourage us to read together a little bit more, or for him to just simply grab a book on his own and sit right here in the little beanbag that I placed by the shelves. So if you guys were looking for an amazing set of floating bookshelves, this is an impeccable choice. The wood tone is unique and I think would easily fit into a range of spaces, if not all spaces. So I would definitely give these a try.